You know what they say, right? When Himalayan comes calling, you do have to answer the call. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Swapnil, and today I got the opportunity to visit the launch event for 2021 Royal Enfield Himalayan. So without any further ado, let's dive into the reviews. First of all, let's get all the technical aspects out of the window, and here they are. So as usual, this is the 411cc single cylinder air cooled single oval head camshaft fuel injected engine, which throws out 24.3 bhp of horsepower at 6500 rpm and 32 newton meters of torque at 4000 to 4500 rpms. And as usual, this comes with 5-speed manual gearbox. The clutch setting is wet multiplate. Speaking of the tire size, the front tire is 90/90 21 inches tire and the rear is 120/90 section 17 inches tire, which is the standard off-road configuration. This bike comes with dual channel switchable ABS. Now mind you, only rear ABS is switchable. The front ABS cannot be switched off. So at the front it comes with a 300 millimeter disc and the rear it's 240 millimeter disc. And with the upgrades, bike has gained significant weight, so now it stands at 199 kgs of curb weight. Seat height is tall at 800 millimeters. So all in all, we can say the bike is quite accessible, and it also comes with a massive 220 millimeters of ground clearance. So now all these technical aspects are addressed to. Let's talk about what has changed on this bike. Now before that, I want to address what Royal Enfield has missed while giving us this update. First thing is a slipper clutch. This bike still comes with a wet clutch setting, which I think could have been addressed while giving us a brand new iteration of this mod. And the second thing is the adjustable suspension. If you are giving us a bike in dual sports segment, that is adventure and as well as touring, it's important that the rider should be able to adjust the suspension as per his ride quality he wants. So Royal Enfield has missed out on that part as well. Now once these things that I think Royal Enfield has missed are addressed, let's talk about what new they have provided. First thing you will notice on these bikes is the new color schemes that they have came up with. So there are 3 new colors available on this bike. One is Mirage Silver, second is Granite Black, and third one is Pine Green. As you can see, the bike that I got to look at, it is the color Mirage Silver. Although there is one more color, Pine Green, and trust me, the bike looks way more sexier in that color. Second thing is obviously the larger windshield that they have provided. Why, I will come to that just in a bit, but the windshield is a bit wild, it's a bit taller, so that the rider, more specifically the taller riders, can have better wind protection for them. The only thing that has changed in terms of design is the front frame where we can mount our jerry cans. So in previous versions cases, whenever there was a taller rider, it was a chance that the frame used to come in the way how rider put their knees on the tank to hug the tank. But now they have addressed the issue and they have made this frame a bit shorter. And now let's come to the major change that's on this bike. So Royal Enfield has provided this with the triple navigation system. That's Royal Enfield's turn-by-turn navigation. They call it the triple navigation. This system was revealed with Meteor 350 and now they have added it to Himalayan as well. So this was my general overall review regarding this bike. So just to sum this up, the machine is still very powerful. It is a very low maintenance bike. It is very much accessible, though there are some changes here and there which the Royal Enfield have missed, like the stock mirrors on the bike, or by addition of the triple navigation to the front console. The console looks very busy to look at, but apart from this, this is a very much desirable bike, and still it can kick any bike's ass on the off-road conditions. Now, if you are from Pune, this video was courtesy of Siddh Auto Kothurud. So if you are from Pune, specifically Kothurud area, if you want to get your bike, if you want to book the bike, you can contact Siddh Automobiles Kothurud. I will provide the contact and location details in the comment section or in the description section of this video. Thank you so much. Ram Ram.